Welcome back, traders. In today's session, I'll be starting with $1,100 in trading capital. We'll be applying the compounding strategy, which means every profit I make will be reinvested into the next trade, allowing the balance to grow like a snowball effect. Compounding is not about getting rich quick, it's about discipline, consistency, and proper money management. With this approach, even a starting capital of $1,100 can grow much bigger if executed correctly. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I manage my entries, read signals using indicators, and execute real trades. So make sure to watch until the end, because this will give you a clear picture of how structured trading can deliver consistent profit. To apply this strategy, we'll need a few key indicators. First, we add a moving average with period 7 in green. This is the fast line used to track short-term price movements and provide early signals. Second, we add a moving average with period 20 in yellow. This line represents the medium-term trend, helping us see whether the market direction is shifting or staying aligned. Third, we include a moving average with period 60 in red. This line acts as a dynamic support and resistance, as price often reacts strongly around this red line. Finally, we activate the MACD with default settings, 12, 26, 9. MACD helps us read momentum and confirm signals, especially through crossovers between the main line and the signal line, as well as histogram color changes. So the combination of MA7, MA20, MA60, and MACD will serve as the foundation of the compounding strategy we're applying. Alright traders, to use this strategy we only focus on the MA crossovers and the MACD signals, but with each indicator analyzed separately. If the green MA7 crosses above the yellow MA20, that alone is a buy signal. If it crosses downward, that's a sell signal. So we read the MA movements independently, without needing confirmation from other indicators. As for MACD, we analyze it separately as well. When the main line crosses above the signal line, that's a buy signal. When it crosses downward, that's a sell signal. Additionally, a green histogram shows bullish momentum, while a red histogram shows bearish momentum. And don't forget the red line, which is the MA60. This line acts as dynamic support and resistance, often serving as a key area where price bounces or gets rejected. Alright traders, now let's jump straight into the most exciting part, real trading for practical application. We've already set up the indicators, explained the strategy, and now it's time to see how it works in the live market. Alright traders, I'm seeing a downward crossover on the moving averages, where the green line cuts below the yellow line. This is the first sign that sellers are taking control. The MACD indicator also shows a bearish crossover, with the histogram turning red. This further confirms that bearish momentum is building. Okay, profit. Now we'll open the market again and look for the next opportunity. Alright traders, right now I'm noticing signs that a bullish crossover is about to occur on the MACD indicator. The main line is moving closer to the signal line from below, and the histogram, which had been weakening, is starting to show potential to turn green. This means bullish momentum is building up, buyers are stepping in, and the potential for price to move upward is increasing. I'm getting ready to take a buy as soon as this crossover is confirmed, since this is often the first signal of a strong upward move. Let's take a look. Yes, exactly as analyzed. Price is moving in our direction, and we made a profit. Now we'll open the market again to look for the next opportunity. Alright traders, I'm seeing a downward crossover on the moving averages. The green line, MA7, has just crossed below the yellow line, MA20. This is a clear signal that bearish momentum is forming and sellers are taking control. When this type of crossover occurs, price usually continues to move downward for the next few candles. That's why I've decided to enter a sell position now. Let's watch together how this entry plays out. Okay, profit. Now we'll open the market again and look for the next opportunity. All right, traders, I'm spotting a strong signal on the MACD indicator. The main line has just crossed above the signal line, and the histogram is turning green. This is a clear sign that buyers are stepping in and bullish momentum is forming. I'm entering a buy position right now based on this MACD signal. Let's watch the result together. Yes, price is moving upward just as analyzed. Profit. That was a clean session, and now we'll open the market again to look for the next opportunity. All right, traders, I'm seeing a clear opportunity on the MACD indicator. The main line is moving upward and has just crossed above the signal line, while the histogram is turning green. This shows that buyers are taking control and bullish momentum is forming. That's why I'm entering a buy right now. Let's watch the outcome. Yes, as analyzed, price is pushing upward and profit. We're ready to open the market again and look for the next setup. All right, traders, I'm spotting a signal from the moving averages. The green line, MA7, has just crossed below the yellow line, MA20. This indicates that bearish momentum is forming and sellers are taking control of the market. That's why I'm taking a sell position now based on this MA signal. Let's see how it plays out. Okay, profit. Now we'll open the market again to look for the next opportunity. All right, traders, I'm seeing a sell signal on MACD, where the main line crossed below the signal line and the histogram has turned red. On top of that, price has also broken through the red line, MA60, which had been acting as dynamic support. Breaking this line indicates that selling pressure is getting stronger, and the bearish trend is becoming clearer. With these two confirmations, I've taken a sell position. Okay, profit. I think that's enough for today's trading session. Remember, discipline to stop once the target is reached is a key part of the strategy. For those of you who want to learn more about the compounding strategy I've been using here, make sure to join the VIP. There, I'll teach you how to read signals, apply money management, and stay consistently profitable with this method. See you in the next session, and stay profitable.